Hey everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2012 Cadillac Escalade Premium. It has 403 horsepower with a 6.2 liter V8. It's pretty nice. This premium model, you have a Bose sound system, ventilated front seats, you have a navigation system. For its time, it's nice. You also have a screen for the passengers, and the outside of this car looks really good too. You have wood around the steering wheel, which I like. Pretty nice vehicle. Oh, the wood trim I believe it's fake. It's right here, it feels fake. Just looks pretty good. Driving in some traffic time right now, so it might take a second for us to get on the road, but there we go. Let's go. The V8 sounds pretty good. Nothing like the sound of a nice V8. I love the ride height. It feels like you're literally on top of the road, and the seats are super comfortable. What you would expect from an Escalade, you know what I mean? I've always liked the Cadillac Escalade. I think it's a cool car. You have a sunroof in here too. This is a really nice family hauler. Man, I would drive this car. If I needed a secondary car, which is a SUV, I would definitely buy this. I really like this thing. It looks really cool. This specific one has been well taken care of. It has 105,000 miles. It's in really, really good condition. Even today, it looks really nice. And it's a 2012 model in 2024, but it holds its own on the road today. Cadillacs have the Escalade has always had like that status symbol, so not surprised. Man, that's nice. It takes a while to accelerate, but more than enough pickup. It sounds so good. This is like the flex fuel model, which can run on E85. And the turn signals on this car, on the mirror, it's cool. It's like an arrow and it'll like blink red, which I think is nice. I've always liked that on GM products from this time. Kind of hard to see in the daytime, but it looks cool nonetheless. Anyways, let's go for a quick walk around of this Escalade Premium. Backup camera. So yeah, really good looking SUV right here. I love it. Wheels look awesome. Retractable running boards. A lot of space in here. Taillights look sick. I really like this Escalade, man. I want it. But anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please consider subscribing. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.